No shouting, no slogans, no threats, just a calm stare, and a reply so sharp that the question collapses. This isn't just diplomacy. This is cold fire. This is Jaishankar. Let's break down 10 moments where his silence spoke louder than noise, and every word was a bullet. 1. Why is India being so bold on global platforms? Reply: because for too long, others spoke on our behalf. Lesson: speak before others steal your story. Silence isn't peace when someone else holds the mic. 2. Why didn't India pick a side in the Russia-Ukraine conflict? Reply: we are on the side of peace, and firmly on the side of our national interest. Lesson: you don't owe loyalty to noise. Choose your interest, not their agenda. 3. Isn't buying Russian oil unethical? Reply: if European countries are prioritizing their energy needs, why shouldn't India? Lesson: expose hypocrisy calmly. Your facts can speak louder than their judgment. 4. What do you say about criticism from Western media? Reply: some opinions come from habit, not understanding. We're used to it. Lesson: you don't have to explain yourself to every critic. Let results respond. 5. Don't you think India is isolated by staying neutral? Reply: India is too big to be ignored, and too independent to be bullied. Lesson: never beg for inclusion. Earn it by standing tall, not fitting in. 6. Is your tone too aggressive for diplomacy? Reply: assertive is not aggressive. Knowing your position is strength, not hostility. Lesson: calm doesn't mean soft. When you're sure, you don't need to shout. 7. Why doesn't India align fully with the West? Reply: India aligns with its interests, not sides. Lesson: be loyal to principles, not politics. Be firm, not fragile. 8. India is not supporting sanctions. Isn't that wrong? Reply: Europe can't make choices that suit them and expect us to suffer in silence. Lesson: when others protect themselves, it's called strategy. When you do it, don't let them call it selfish. 9. You don't look worried about global pressure. Why? Reply: pressure is a message, but so is silence. Lesson: the strongest replies are often not words. They're how you carry yourself while the world watches. 10. What is India trying to prove with this tone? Reply: India is not trying to prove anything. It is simply being itself, after a long time. Lesson: when you finally stop explaining, you start leading. These aren't replies. They're positioning moves. He doesn't debate, he defines. And you can do the same. Say less, mean more. Never react, always respond. When you're clear, you don't need to be loud. And when your truth is solid, their noise can't shake you. Which of these cold fire replies hit hardest for you? Drop the number in the comments. And remember, speak like Jaishankar. Clear, calm, unshakable. We don't shout, we reply. Subscribe. And let your words carry weight.